company ranks the most on the top 10 list, we will give them the 10,000 Rand. Fxwarroom is sponsoring that. However, if Fxwarroom takes it, then there's no... yeah, it stays. So at the moment, if you log on to this Full Margin Olympics Volume 2, so the leaderboard, I don't know if you guys can see that. So the leaderboard is, here we go, Warroom, which is Mo Fxwarroom, he's number 1. Then I'm in 3rd place, Fxwarroom in 3rd place. Then you got Sean Fxwarroom, he's in 7th place. Nice. So basically we got 3 Warroom guys on the top 10 list, which is not bad. Like Mo is sitting in 3,200% profit. I'm sitting in 1,300% profit. Sean is sitting at 624% profit, nice. Which is not bad.
Not bad.
So that's how the Full Margin Olympics works. And then from HFM side, on the Full Margin Olympics, in first prize they're giving you a PlayStation 5. So if you win the Full Margin Olympics, you get a PlayStation 5. If you come out second in the Full Margin Olympics, they give you $1,000, which is about 18 to 19,000 Rand. And then if you come out in 3rd place, they give you $500, which is about 10 grand, 9 grand. Right, so if you think you're a good trader, enter the Full Margin Olympics. It only costs $30 to fund, so minimum deposit is $30. How do you open a Full Margin Olympics account? You log into your HFM profile. You click the 3 lines on the top right hand side screen, or you click the menu button on the HFM app. You go to promotions, you go to HFM Full Margin Olympics Volume 2, and then you scroll down and you open a Full Margin Olympics trading account. If you're trading with Fxwarroom, then you need to put your name and Fxwarroom next to it for the account nickname. That means you're on our team, and then you rank like that on the list. But yeah.